In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete call history on iPhone. We will walk through deleting a single call, several calls, or clearing everything so you stay in full control of your recent calls. First, open the phone app. You will see the main screen with options at the bottom such as favorites, recents, and contacts. If you have missed calls, you might see a red number on recents, which is normal. Now tap the recents tab at the bottom. This shows a list of all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls in time order. You may see small icons like blue for outgoing or red for missed, but every entry here can be removed. Find the call you want to remove in this list. Take a moment to scroll so you are sure you have the right number or contact, and double-check the date and time if you are unsure. Once you have the correct call, swipe left on the call. A red delete button appears on the right side of that single entry. This swipe only affects that one call, nothing else on the screen. Tap delete. The call disappears from the list immediately, and you do not get a second confirmation here. If you still see it, you may have tapped too softly, so try again with a clear tap on delete. Next up, let us remove several calls at once. Open the phone app again if you left it. You should land back on the same main phone screen as before, with the tabs along the bottom. Tap recents. You are back on the same recent calls list, but this time you will prepare to select multiple entries. Make sure you are in recents, not favorites, before going on. Tap edit, then select. The edit option appears in the upper right, and once you tap it, the select button shows so you can choose multiple calls. The list will now show empty circles you can tap. Select the call entries you want to delete. Each tap adds a blue check mark beside that call, and you can scroll while selecting more. If you change your mind on one, tap it again to remove the check mark. Tap delete. The checked calls disappear together from the recents list. You stay on the same screen so you can confirm that only the selected entries were removed and the others are still there. With that ready, let us clear your entire call history. Open the phone app again if needed so you are on the main screen. Tap recents. You will again see the full list of calls, which can be quite long if you have never cleared it. This step will remove every entry you see here. Tap edit, then select. You are telling the phone app you want to manage the whole list at once. The screen will change to show the clear option at the top left. Tap clear. A small menu slides up from the bottom of the screen with more than one option, so do not rush this next tap. Tap clear all recents to confirm. Every entry disappears at once and the recents list becomes empty, showing no recent calls at all. Now for a couple of important notes. Deleted call history cannot be recovered unless you restore your iPhone from a backup made before you deleted the calls. That kind of restore affects the whole device, not just calls, so only do that if you truly need those logs back. If you use iCloud to sync call history across your Apple devices, deleting a call log on your iPhone may also remove it from your other signed-in Apple devices. So if a call disappears on your phone, you can expect it to vanish from a synced iPad or another iPhone using the same Apple ID. You have now learned how to delete a single call, multiple calls, or your entire call history on your iPhone. If this helped you clean up your recents, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple iPhone guides like this.